Hi, so this is Shruti, and as we all know, the year 2021 is about to end in a week, and year 2022 is all set to enter our lives. And many of us will be, mapping out new resolutions, thinking of how miserably we had failed previously, but still having that hope कि let's make good changes this year. So let's talk a bit on that. New resolutions, the new me. So even I have tried to inculcate many good changes in my life. Tried keeping up with the resolutions which I thought I needed. So yeah, that's a common thing which we all experience when a new year is approaching. But the one thing which I have noticed is like any resolution or any change which you want to make, what's the reason behind it? So, what is making you to go for that change, for that improvement? So that makes a major impact on how far you are able to stick to it and how long you are practicing it in your life. So let's take the most common example of losing weight, getting fit, going to the gym. So many of us would want to lose that weight, shed that extra kilos, to look good maybe in any upcoming event. And when that event approaches and we don't see any results as we expected, we tend to lose hope and we give up on things which we actually wanted to do. So this happens with many of us. But if we change the reason behind staying fit, from just to look good in the photos or to look good any upcoming events or to prove something to someone, if you change that reason to you want to be fit, you want to stay healthy so that you can take care of your loved ones, your family, your friends, any significant people in your life. Only when you are healthy, someone will approach you when they need any help. If you yourself are keep unhealthy, you have some unhealthy habits, unhealthy lifestyle, then people back off from coming to you for any kind of help or any kind of need, if when they face it. So, as we all know, man is a social animal. Uh, Things work better when a group of people come together rather than a single person making any changes. So when you think only of self, like I have to look good, I have to prove this to that person, then your efforts, your your activity doesn't go well and for long. But if you like in my case, I wanted to stay fit so that if any need arises, people should look up to me, and it shouldn't be like I should go and need someone's help to look after me. I should be there for my family when they need me. So that was my main aim, to keep going. The power behind any activity increases exponentially uh, when it changes its focus from a single person to a group of people. So you working out, staying healthy just for your own sake isn't going to last long or keep you motivated. But if you do good things, better things for yourself, so that you will be able to take care of your family, your friends, and your society, then that motivation never ends, and you will be happy to work on things which you initiated and which you started. So, yeah, we just need to change the basic reason or the core value for which we are starting new resolutions. So years come, years go. Time doesn't stop or pause for anyone. Don't stress out, but do things in a more effective way than you had been doing all this while. And cheer, be cheerful, enjoy each day, take it as it comes, and have a good, healthy life. Happy New Year.